instructions on how to do the Emperor's timeline. First, I'll read this. Go from BCE, which is before Common Era, to Common Era. Remember, 2020 is the Common Era. When Rome was founded, it was BCE, 700 BCE, so that was around 2,700 years ago. You'll fill in the correct year. I'll show you where exactly. You write one accomplishment or event that happened for each leader. For each leader, I mean each Roman emperor. Okay, it must be complete sentences. Right. So you're going to be using this reading material on each Roman emperor and go through the timeline. Okay. You're also, if you need more guidance, basically, it's just like a numbers. Okay. So we're the first emperor that we're actually going to cover is Augustus. Why? Because he goes from 27 BCE to 14 CE. So around here to 14 CE. Then you continue on. So let me go back. Let's go to our Google Slides. Let's zoom in. Remember, don't hit the magnifying glass. Make sure you click right here. Go to 100%. What I want you to do, so this one's filled out for you. Julius Caesar's already dead, 44 BCE. Remember, some people put BC or BCE. Fortunately, I can't edit it. This is before. So you see here, this is the year 0. Okay, so after 44 BCE, according to my reading, who was the next one? It should be Augustus. So what you'll do, you click on the box right here, put Augustus, and to help you remember him a little bit, put first emperor right next to him. Okay, then you tell me what years did he rule from. So he ruled from 27 BCE to 14 CE. Always check right here. It tells you right there. Okay, 27 to 14 BCE I'm sorry again. 27 BCE to 14 CE. Okay, make sure you put BCE for this year. After that, you don't have to put CE. The remaining dates you don't have to put CE. Okay, so you'll put his name down. You put the dates. Then you tell me one accomplishment that he did. So you could say that Augustus was the first emperor that led Rome into the Pax Romana, and he also created the census. You could tell me what he created during the Pax Romana, what buildings, what architecture, what engineering. You just put me an example, and it should be from the reading right here. Okay. Then you should look for the next one. But before we go that, this is the year 0. I want you to put on this box the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, you see the line going to the green circle? Put the birth of Jesus Christ. Now, in our Christianity slides, the Rise of Spreading Christianity assignment, there was part of a reading that said some historians actually believe that Jesus was born around 2 BCE. So please go ahead and put that, okay? Of course, this was around 2,000 years ago, so we're not quite sure. All right, so please make sure you write that down. You'll go to the next green dot is basically the end of his of Augustus' rule. Then you go over here, and it's basically the next ruler. So we're gonna go right here. So what's the closest number to 14? It's not 306. It's not 286. It's not 180. It's not 117. The next one will be either 54 and 98. As you know math, it's 54. So your next emperor that you will talk about and that you will fill in is Nero. So he ruled from 54 to 68, Common Era. Then you put his name right here, and then you give me one fact about him. Okay. Then you go to the next one. So 68. Who would be after 68? We just saw Trajan. Okay. You put him. You give me some accomplishments, something about him. You can honestly put the whole thing if you like. I just need you guys to read it because I am going to quiz you guys on this. I'm going to actually put this on the test, not the quiz. So that will be the next one. Then you put the years. So you just keep on doing that until you reach the end, which is the Roman Empire falls. Okay, all the information should be right here. Okay, make sure you look at this too. Just keep on going and keep on going through the green dots. All right, it should look something like this. All right, it should look something like this. So hopefully that helps. If not, still email me if you have any questions.